Okay, we're going to talk about polymerization. This is currently a defunct because polymerization is sometimes very complicated. Uh, in biology, we can't gather certain polymers without extracting them from cells. And I want to show what I posted on Facebook. But I said polymerization is not all possible with a simple reactor. Biomolecules have to be extracted, and they are genetic. That means that they form based on a complex quantum physical structure, configuration of basically systematic biochemistry. Um, they have to be extracted with a complicated process known as separation science. And then beyond that, the synthesis of many polymers, biopolymers, is not possible without using cells and genetics and cloning and different growth therapy and things like that. Then you get into, like I said, the extraction process, which is called separation chemistry, and basically you have to clone the cells and treat them with genetic therapy so that you can separate a very complex mixture, which would be known as a complex. So it may have to do with specific gravity, chromatography, things like that, electrophoresis. Then, there may be other procedures I'm unaware of, but that's pretty much what it is to have polymerization. It's not exactly what we do in biochemistry. We don't create big giant polymers that are extremely complex biomolecules. That's just not really all that possible, because chemistry has a law that once there is a reaction, there's also an opposite reaction. And if you heat something up to try to ionize it to create a bond, it also separates something at the same time and forms a new bond. So that's not exactly controllable. Polymerization, that's the key ingredient here, is that polymerization is not highly controllable with a simple reactor. You can't just put piece by piece together, because it will continuously do reverse reactions and combination reactions. And you get different products. You may be able to build certain polymers, but once it gets into the, like thousands of atoms, or a protein or something like that, a complex protein, or like a virus, or when you're doing those types of things, that is quite complicated. It's just not a simple reaction. So, but basically, those opposite reactions and combination reactions make it highly difficult to use a simple reactor.